Hello everyone, I am PandaPops, and if you are new here, I love blockchain gaming. That is what almost all my content is about, anything to do with blockchain and crypto. I do other live stream games as well over on DLive, so check that out. I will put a link down below, and on the odd occasion I will put a few normal games on here if I feel like they are definitely worth being on here. So today we are going to be doing a speed build using the VoxEdit software. It's completely free to use. You just go to the Sandbox game and download it there. As always, link will be in the description. It's still in beta, so there are still improvements and changes being made, so bear that in mind when you download it and when you watch this sort of content as well. If you don't know what the Sandbox is, it is a blockchain game, surprise, where you can buy land, rent it out, or you can create your own games using their game maker software as well, which, by the way, that will be right near the VoxEdit software too. They're together, so you'll be able to find both of them very easily. With it, you can earn, so you can either sell your land if you don't fancy keeping it anymore, rent it out to someone who has a game that they want to put on there. So far, that's not fully integrated. It's still, things are being rolled out now. So everything's new and it's coming out there. I am currently a pre-launch asset artist. So currently I am making assets that you will see in their, on their in-game marketplace. Which I will personally be minting a few of mine later on, so I'll be selling them on OpenSea or even as giveaways in my streams or whatever as NFTs. Not all of the stuff that I make I will be minting, but some of it. So in my last speed build, I did just a simple bed, super easy, super simple. There wasn't much to it. I just wanted to have a little practice during a speed build because I've never really done that before, and to let you see the tools and stuff that I will be using. Now, I won't be doing any voiceover or anything like that, so if you do have questions, please put them down below. Don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button. I would really appreciate it if you guys hit that like button and subscribed, please. And if you don't mind, you want some notifications of when I upload videos, then definitely ring that bell. But I do try to upload at the very least 2 videos every week. Unless something's happened to me, then 2 videos every week guaranteed. So yes, without further ado, we are getting into it. And it will be a surprise of what we're making. You can guess. Try and guess what we're making.